Hello, and welcome to the second course in the Green Building Research Institute's Spotlight series, Indoor Air Quality Preoccupancy. Spotlight is GBRI's 2012 series, where we will focus on specific aspects of green buildings and look at these topics more in depth. This is a 200-level course and will qualify for 2 GBCI CE hours, as well as 2 AIA learning units for sustainable design. This is the first of 2 courses that we are conducting on indoor air quality, how it can be improved and maintained, and the effects that poor air quality can have on building occupants. This is a 2 CE hour course that is lead specific for BD+C, ID+C, and O&M specialties. During the course today, we will define indoor air quality, discuss why it is important, even prior to building occupancy. We will look at the design strategies, innovations, and practices that can improve and maintain good air quality during construction and before occupancy. We will be focusing on how indoor air quality is addressed in various LEED rating systems, and at how earning the credits and points in these rating systems will help projects to improve indoor air quality. Indoor air quality has a growing impact on people's everyday lives as we spend more and more time in indoor environments. Currently, North Americans spend about 90% of their time inside, meaning that the quality of home and work environments will have a significant impact on their health and well-being. Poor indoor air quality can result in both long-term and short-term health effects. Some of the short-term effects that building occupants might experience could be allergies that are triggered by dust or pollens in the ventilation system, or headaches and fatigue from exposure to chemicals in the space. These effects often resemble a cold or other sickness, but will generally subside shortly after the person leaves the building or area. People are affected differently by indoor air quality, depending on their personal sensitivities. Generally, the very young and very old are more susceptible to short-term effects of air quality. Long-term effects of negative air quality are much harder to identify and trace. However, they are often more significant, including respiratory diseases and even some cancers. These types of effects develop over years of exposure and are often more pronounced in those who work directly with or near strong sources of air contaminants. Examples would be respiratory problems from chronic exposure to secondhand smoke, strong adhesives, or harsh cleaning chemicals.